Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to work on ballet across the floor combination. We're going to work slow motion that you can see better what elements we're going to do. So first one is sauté arabesque on the right and on the left leg. Then glissade, assemblée, tourne en dehors and releve. Balancé on the left, balancé on the right, and then chaîné tournes to the left. Then we're going to repeat same other direction. We start on the left, sauté arabesque, and then glissade, assemblée, tourne en dehors, releve, and then balancé to the right, to the left, and then chaîné to the right. This is the first part. Now we're going to start second part with sisson, and then assemblée and pas de bourree. And same, we're going to do other direction or from other leg. Now the next part, we start from chassé and waltz jump, and again repeat couple times, and then sauté fouetté and préparation for the last part. And last part will be cabriole from both legs, then pas de chat, and then fouetté tourne into final pose. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out my other videos.